Hi, I'm Steve Benison and join me for my latest tutorial, Spring Fusion. I'm going to show you how to cover a sphere cake with sugar paste and apply some textures. A fabulous range of sugar flowers where we've got our daffodils, our snowdrops, pussy willow and violet. And also as well, I'm going to show you how to create some leaves without using moulds. Following on with our side decoration, the inspirational and very creative scroll link twist. I'm going to show you how you can create this in a two-tone effect. Some royal icing textures on the board so you can add that different skill to your repertoire, and then some string work which gives that wow factor to your cake. So sit back and I hope you will join me for my next tutorial.